I'm Father Pradeep, Project Director, Hope Recovery Center. Since 2 years I have been working here, and to start my journey in this field, I was not so much interested since I am not at all touching alcohol and I have no bad habits to anything of those things. Still, I committed myself towards this cause because I found this alcoholism and drug addiction is a big problem in India. After having come here, I found lot of changes in myself and in and around the work field and with the people those who come here. I am today proud to say that my staff and those people associated to this Hope Recovery Center all are very loving, very caring and very much concern each other. First of all, we always give a lot of importance to the people, those who come here, patients. We first understand their background, and with that background we try to cope up with the situation and try to make them the reality where they are living and come out of all the suffering and deepest places. Nearly in a year, 289 patients we have treated last year, and we are getting a good result. About 60 to 65% people are recovering from the center. And as the days goes here for the patient, it seems to be a little tough because the free atmosphere they don't enjoy, because when they are out in the families, in the societies where they are put in, they live freely with a lot of freedom with their family members and their loved ones. But whereas here they are missing all their poor loved people, caring people, everybody. But for 5 or 10 days, the beginning stage, they find very difficult. After 5 to 10 days, they will be coping up with the situation here, and they will try to bring changes to their life, and when they go back, they will try to do better. As a director, today I would like to say, we all have to work for the humanity with the loving, caring and service minded.